Hi, Jason here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how easy it is to install rainwater soakaway crates. So the first thing you need to do is dig your hole. Now for this example I'm going to be using 6 rainwater crates, and the size or footprint of the hole is going to be 1.5 meters long by 1 meter wide by 1 meter deep. So once you've dug your hole, you then need to bring the pipe into the hole. Now this pipe will be coming from your house or your garage or some other building. And typically the fall of the pipe into the hole should be 1 in 200. So now you can start putting the crates into the hole. So put in crate 1, crate 2, and crate 3. Now before you put crate 4 in, you'll notice there's a pipe in the way. But there's an easy fix to this. On the crate themselves there's a circular hole, just cut it out and push the pipe into the soakaway crate. It should go about halfway into the crate. You can now put in crate 5 and crate 6. Now when you've done this, you can then get the free membrane that comes with the soakaway crate kits and put it over the top of the crates and around the side of the crates. Now you're probably wondering, why don't we put membrane under the crates? Well, most installers don't do that because the soil can't defy the law of physics and come back into the crate. And it also allows the water to drain away more naturally. Once you've done the membrane, you can then fill the hole back in with soil. Job done. How easy was that? That's how easy it is to install these soakaway crate kits.